Hi guys, join me as I design this gorgeous, beautiful Nigerian blouse from start to finish, by the way, okay? So I'm not skipping anything. Let's go. Summer is almost here, and if you know, the ladies here in the US are Nigerian beauties like African queens, right? We like to show off during the summer, okay? So right now, it's getting busy at Ndiritzy. So it's our African blouse season. Okay, let me show you what I've got to do today. We need this. We need this. We need that for sure. And the scissors. And we need all these gorgeous beads. Okay, that's one. We need this one too. Okay. And we need this shiny beauty. Okay, these are stones. Oopsie. Okay. Let's see what I can get from these stuff. Let's see. All right, so right here, I am done with the cutting and prepping the fabric, okay? So now it's time to join the piece together and get on with this fun beading part, okay? So you can enjoy this video, you can speed it up, whatever you want to do, okay? So I'm just trying to share as much as I can. So enjoy, and if you want to speed it up, go ahead and do that, okay? Like, follow for content like this, because I'm going to keep sharing. All right, let's go.
This isn't fast fashion. This is couture. Every stitch matters. Every seam has intention because at Ndiritzy, perfection isn't optional. It is expected.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and follow for more content like this.